The world's deserts. A desert is a place with very little rain. To be defined as a desert, the place must get less than 10 inches of precipitation, such as rain or snow, per year. Deserts are so dry that sometimes rain evaporates before it gets to the ground. Deserts can be some of the hottest places on the planet. The hottest desert in the world is the Sahara Desert. It is in Africa and is very large. The Sahara covers 12 African countries. The highest temperature ever recorded in the Sahara Desert was 136 degrees Fahrenheit. In the United States, the record for the hottest desert is the Mojave Desert. Death Valley National Park is located in the Mojave Desert in California. On July 10, 2013, the temperature in Death Valley reached 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The Gobi Desert in Mongolia in northern China is the fastest growing desert. The desert there is expanding each year due to logging and climate changes. The driest desert in the world is the Atacama Desert in South America. A few places of the Atacama Desert have not had rain in more than 400 years. In Australia, there is a large desert known as the Outback. Very few people live in the Outback. The Outback covers nearly 3/4 of the land area. However, only 3 out of 100 Australian people live in the Outback. Not all deserts are hot. Since the definition of a desert is that it is a place with very little precipitation, the polar areas of the world are considered to be deserts. That means the North Pole and the South Pole, also known as Antarctica, are deserts. They are very cold places, but they do not get much rain or fresh snow. Deserts can be home to many plants. All of the plants found in deserts have adapted to live in the dry climate. More than 2,000 varieties of cacti live in the world's deserts. A cactus can be covered with hundreds of sharp spikes. These prickly thorns protect against the predators and help the cactus conserve water. Tall trees do not live in deserts. However, some grasses and small bushes can be found there. Many animals live in deserts. You can find reptiles such as lizards and snakes. Animals like coyotes and squirrels also live in some deserts. Meerkats live in the desert of South Africa. Camels live in many deserts, even in the deserts of Australia. Many of the animals of the deserts are nocturnal, which means they sleep in the day and are awake at night. By being nocturnal, these animals can avoid the hottest temperatures of the day. It may be strange to think about, but polar bears and penguins are also desert animals because they live in the deserts of the Arctic regions. Deserts can be very windy. Sometimes windstorms pick up dust, which forms waves of dirt in the air. These dust storms can reach up to 1 mile in the sky. The air is very thick with dust and breathing is difficult. Dust storms from the Gobi Desert in China have been known to reach nearly 1,000 miles away. Deserts can be amazing places that are very hot or very cold. Plants and animals found there are like nothing else on the planet. Life can be challenging in the desert, but it is home for many creatures on Earth.